My name is Alice Amy. Yo! Yeah, so guys, you're so much welcome to this vlog. If you're new here, karibu, karibu, karibu sana. Karibu, karibu, karibu sana. Yo! Yeah, so in this vlog, guys, I'm going to do my nails. But how have you been? Are you beautiful? Are you good? How is the new year? Yeah, hey. So, wait a minute. Oh. Yes, let's start this vlog. I hope I'm audible enough. Hola. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to do this vlog. What am I doing today? You all notice, or you have all noticed, that I don't normally have polish. How do they call it? Nail polish. Or I don't do my nails. Why don't I do my nails? I think that's not my thing. I can say, or I don't have money, or what do you guys think? Why I don't do my nails? Honestly, I think I don't even remember that any day that I want to do my nails. Yeah, but hopefully soon I want to surprise myself. I want to do a video. Hopefully soon I want to do a video when I'm putting on long nails. For I won't say I have never put on nails or have never done my nails. I tried it once, like putting those long nails, and guys, hey, I think it only lasted for 2 days and I removed them. Me, by the way, I don't think I can have those long nails. I'm not used to them. Even these ones, even mine, if they kinda grow and I feel like they're long, I normally cut them off. Let me see if you guys are able to see that. So my nails are short. They normally kinda grow, but I normally cut them off and then maintain the way they are. I feel like they look good when they are in this color. Anyways, if you're new here, you're so much welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope it will be helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel. By doing this, you are supporting me. Without wasting my time, or without wasting your time. By the way, if you haven't watched my other videos, please go check them out. I have so many videos that I have made for you guys, or created for you guys. I have so many videos. How many are they? Oh. Anyway, let's go further. Let's start this vlog. Able, tell me, how is my face? I have not done makeup, but I've just applied the lipstick. How do I look without makeup? Let me smile for you. Let me smile for you. Na da 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 da. Oh, let me smile for you. Hey, da 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 da. Woo. Let me smile for you. I love singing. So why am I starting this vlog? What's holding me? What is holding baby Alice? So guys, I have a few things at my place. I have a nail cutter. No, okay. So how do they call this one? Me, I didn't go to school. Filer. Yes, so I'm just going to clean my nails up just kidogo and maybe try to file them. I'm going to show you how to apply. By the way, I'm showing you how to apply henna. So I don't normally do nails, but I love putting this because, you know, it takes long, and then the more the nails grow, the more it keeps going off. So it's not like I have to go back at the salon and then apply, and then I have to go back and then anyway, it's good to have nails for those who do them, but for me, I tried it once and I failed. Maybe I can try it for you guys. Maybe I can try it once again, just for a video to show you how I would look with nails, with those long nails. But trust me, even when I put them on, or even when I have them, it won't last for a week, or I think it will be like for a day or 2 days and I'll remove them. Yeah, so I find this much easier for me because it's just something I'm applying on my nails, and the more the nails grow, the more it disappears, or the more I cut. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so this is black henna. There is a black henna, there is a brown, but I love black. So for today, I'm going to apply this, and then the next time I'll do a vlog, it will be applying the colorless. They call it colorless, to make my nails look beautiful. Oh, yeah, so let's get to the start of this video. No talking anymore. See what I'm going to do. If you want to try it out, first of all, watch this video, like, comment, go buy this henna. How much did I buy this one, by the way? 100 Kenyan shillings. 100 Kenyan shillings. I hope it will do what I want. And the other way you can, the other formula, or the other one you normally apply is you can get hair dye. Hair dye, you mix it, you put little water, and then you apply on the nails. waited enough for them to dry up. I hope I'm not removing them so fast. I hope it has worked out. So let me wash off this and then I show you the outcome. Hey, but I think I put a lot of it because it has taken me hours for it to get dry. So what I'm going to do, let me first of all wash them off because I'm tired of waiting. I'm super tired of waiting. So wait for the outcome. But kindly, if you haven't subscribed my channel to enjoy more videos. So here we are. So guys, that was it for this vlog. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch it. I'm I'm so much humbled. Yeah, so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before we end the video. As well, leave a comment in the comment section, and you know, we will be glad to see you. As for now, I have to end this video. See ya.